You know, one of the questions I get most often from my clients is, well, I'm scared to make a claim because my premiums will go up. Do you think my premiums will go up? And I often say, you know what, this is the deal. You can't get singled out, especially for like hail damage or something like that, to have your premiums increased. But just natural tendency of insurance and profitability and inflation says the prices are gonna go up anyhow. And if there is a storm in your area, say your zip code, we'll just take a zip code for example, and say there's 3,000 homes in that zip code, and your insurance company insures 1,000 of those homes, and say all 3,000 get hit, 1,000 of those homes are insured with your insurance company that you have, probably your rates are gonna go up. Not though because you made a claim. It's because they took a massive hit to their bottom line. 1,000 properties got hit. Your insurance is probably gonna go up too, but this is the deal. I want you to get this part because this is the most important part that I try to get across to my clients. If you don't make a claim and your premiums go up because everybody else did, you're basically paying higher premiums to make sure everybody else's property got fixed and your property didn't get fixed. So you have to ask yourself, even if my rates go up, even if my premiums go up, isn't it worth getting my property repaired or replaced, depending on the situation, to make sure, say you had to sell your home or sell your commercial property, don't you want it to be back as good of condition prior to the hailstorm or loss? You have to get it back there, right? Because you're losing money. Not only are your premiums and rates going up, but your property value might decrease because you're not fixing the property back to its condition before the loss. And so a home that has a roof or a commercial property that has a roof that has a ton of hail damage on it, guess what the buyer is gonna ask for? A reduction in price, or ask that the seller take care of the commercial property roof before the buyer purchases it. So again, it's costing you money. You might as well make a claim if it's warranted and then go from there. But this is the deal. If you don't make a claim and you have damage, you're just paying premiums. You'll be probably higher premiums for everybody else's property to get fixed around you, but your property is in the same condition. So will your rates go up if you make a claim? They cannot single you out for that, but just know if your city or area has had a recent major hailstorm, your rates are probably going to go up no matter what. So you might as well make a claim if it's warranted. Your policy covers it. You have the specific damage that the policy covers. Those two come together, the deductible amount. You have to kind of take all that stuff into consideration. So will your insurance rates or insurance premiums increase if you make a claim? It's hard to say, but they can't single you out specifically. But guess what? This is America. Prices go up, inflation occurs. You have to pay employees more, especially with the low unemployment rate. So your rates are probably gonna go up no matter what. But the question is your property valuable enough for you to make a claim to get it back to pre-loss condition? I think the answer is yes.